Hey, what's up YouTube? So back on the barn today. I got some material, pine car siding, 1x, and then some prime pine 1x6s. This is my barn door that's glued up over the weekend. I fastened these strips to kind of hold it in place as I clamped it. This is where my rails will go, so those holes will be covered. Basically, I'm going to take this off, do the same thing, glue up my last door, then I'm going to build this out with my stiles and rails. I kind of haven't decided in my pattern if I'm going to do an X, or I kind of like it when there's a diagonal each side that kind of reinforces where your door handle will go. I'm thinking of painting this, the stiles and rails, like an accent color and a white door. So I'm going to start by taking that apart, building these, and just how I'm going about it is I'm using Titebond Type 3 in the tongue and groove. So I got my barn door pretty much done, except my diagonals, which I just got cut. I used biscuits and glued it up, sat overnight. Now I'm just going to pull my 18 gauge pins, kind of acting as clamps, and then that way kind of my face frame can be painted separately than the actual car siding. My face frame is going to be like a brown color, and then the base of the door is going to be white. So I like this design with the diagonals both going to the same side, because that's where my door handle is going to be. So it kind of reinforces that whole area. 1x6 on my top and bottom rail, and then just 1x4 pine. It's all pine, but it's kind of, I like that design. I also liked when people do an X on the bottom and then the top is